Welcome friends, local Florida gal here. I'm in Universal Studios Orlando, Loews Royal Pacific Resort. Let's go ahead and check out the resort in itself. Let's do this. As you pull up to the resort, you have cover to go ahead and either valet or drop off your items with bell service. This resort consists of 3 towers. This is Tower 1, where we're staying in. The lobby. Tower 2 over there. And then Tower 3 is behind. Check out this beautiful entrance. Thank you. The lobby actually starts on the 3rd floor, and you come in to this very fragrant, it smells so good in here. I would hope they would bottle this hotel up into a candle. I would totally purchase it. To the left of the entrance, you have the gift shop where they have Halloween Horror Nights merch, Harry Potter, Universal and whatnot. You've got restrooms over there. That is Tower 1. There is actually an American bar restaurant downstairs. Jake's. They have got great food. We actually dined in there last night. So I'm going to go ahead and drop in the photos of our food right now. So to the left when you come in, you have Vacation Planning Center. It is Halloween Horror Nights season, so they do have a prop, which is really cool. You can scan here in the scan code, and it gives you a really cool filter of these Venus flytraps eating you. Luggage services, and then you have Tower 2, and then over here we have guest services, concierge, followed by the entire reception area. You will find a ton of seating area throughout this resort. So here in the reception area, I will say that when we checked in, Gabe, he was the employee that helped us, and he was amazing. Very informative, especially with the different type of situation that we're in, because we have decided to evacuate and stay here for the hurricane and bunker down. So very informative of the alternative options that they have. Obviously some restaurants are going to be closed, and what they're going to do instead, and what amenities are limited and whatnot. So far everybody has been very informative, understanding, and caring. So right after the lobby, you have an ATM for those of us that barely carry cash, but then we need all of a sudden, because we definitely want to tip for the outstanding service that we are receiving here. And we have Tuk Tuk Market. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is like a cafeteria style market. We have all sorts of goodies, from ice cream to sandwiches to coffee, things that you can get on the go, areas to sit and dine. And we also have a machine that you can fill and have everything. Every soda you can imagine is here listed, just like they have in the theme parks. Right next to the market, we have Avis rental car service, and then the entrance to Tower 3. Here we move on to a bar that we have here. Very beautiful. And towards the back, you can see that there's several TVs where they have been displaying either football, sports, or news. And here you can see a closer look of the TV where again they have news, sports, and whatnot. There is a theme that is frequent throughout the resort, and that is that they have a lot of seating. Lots and lots of areas to just hang out. And I absolutely love the lighting of this hotel and the theming of this area. This is the outside area of the lobby. Currently it is sprinkling a little bit, but as you can tell, it is just beautifully decorated with orchids, palm trees, a beautiful pond, lots of statues, elephants. It really is gorgeous, and it lights up beautifully at night. I will tell you, at night they do put out tables and chairs, so you can go ahead and eat out here. Very pretty. Let's go, like we're going down to eat at Jake's American Bar. So right at the entrance, they've got this beautiful piece of wood art. It is amazing. This seating area is just art that you don't see here, right? Very rare. And this is the entrance. And I'll give you a glimpse of what their menu normally looks like. It is currently closed right now. Maybe we can take a little peek-see through here. From Jake's Bar, let's go ahead and take a stroll outside and check out the outdoors. They have a map right at the entrance to show you where everything is at. Sadly, the pool is closed because we are expecting a hurricane, but this is one side of what it looks like. It does have floor entry over there. Here is a better view so you can see how large this pool is. Looks like there's cabanas over there, maybe a quick service of some sort, and there's cabanas over there. And here is the view from the main entrance that you would enter the pool. This is what Jake's looks like from the outside in. We actually sat on the other side over there last night, right after we checked in. If you're heading towards the water taxi, you've got the game room that you're gonna pass by. There is the Treasures of Bali store, but unfortunately, we have a hurricane coming, so that store is closed. Here's a gymnasium with everything that you need to work out while you're staying here. There is no shortage of beautiful artwork throughout this resort. And if you want to take the water taxi, or if you want to walk to Universal or Islands of Adventure, this is the entrance to the walkway. And I spy Dr. Doom's, one of my favorite rides. One of the first ones I get onto when I go to Islands of Adventure, because it gives me such an adrenaline rush. It gets me pumped up for the rest of the park. Love Dr. Doom's Fearfall. Here is another beautiful piece of artwork. And the one right in front of it. It is carved and beautiful. So they have set up one of the ballrooms, hurricane prepared in case of anything, with extra indoor activities. So as you can see, they're playing DreamWorks movies. There are a lot of activities in here. Hula hoop, Connect 4, balls. I'm not going to film too much because there are children in here, but in the back over there, there's a buffet. Let's go ahead and check it out. Here's the menu for the buffet. It is themed to the hotel, so it is Asian style. And this is what the setup looks like. They have plenty of seating area and looks like lots of yummy food that I can smell from here. And here's the dock where you would get on the water taxi. They're currently all parked. Check out this cool plane. How cool is that? And of course, we are in Florida, so the old do not enter, natural wildlife may be present. More like it's present. Well, friends, that's gonna do it. I hope that you enjoyed the tour of Universal Studios Loews Royal Pacific Resort. Again, we are staying here for Hurricane Milton. We're bunkering down, so there are some alternatives that are happening instead of like the pool being open, the Treasures of Bali. Certain places are closed and bunkering down. The ballroom, I don't think that would be open with all those indoor activities unless they do rainy day activities, and I'm not aware of it. But all in all, this is the video of the hotel tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I love making it for you. With that said, have a great day.